Miss Batkhorloo, short for Hoko, she brings over 6 years of experience at Golomt Bank, where she has served as senior economic analyst and senior asset and liability management specialist. Please welcome Hoko.
Okay, thank you, Tol, for the very warm introduction. Good day to you all, and we welcome and appreciate all investors and organizations that are joining us at this Mongolian Investment Forum. Golomt Bank has been especially working towards enhancing our investor relations, and under these efforts, we have successfully helped promote investor awareness events such as these throughout Singapore, New York, and now London. We are proud to be the main sponsors of this event, and bringing events like this is among the core values of our banking, which is increasing awareness and stakeholder engagement. So to start, I'd like to start off with the introduction by saying that Golomt Bank is one of Mongolia's leading commercial banks. Since 1995, we've been playing a special role in helping the country's financial development. As Mongolia transitioned to a market economy, Golomt Bank has helped build a financial infrastructure that supports businesses, individuals, and SMEs. Now we serve 1/3 of total population with 107 branches nationwide, and we are known for our largest digital wallet. We're listed on Mongolian Stock Exchange since 2022, and now Golomt Bank has more than 21,000 equity investors. We are rated B1 stable by Moody's and B+ stable by S&P and Fitch. So Golomt Bank is partnered to over 300 international banks and is working with the broadest numbers of impact funds and global development financial institutions. So just recently, we have secured a funding of 160 million USD from the International Finance Corporation. So we are successfully and strategically expanding our global presence and have issued our debut bond in 2024. Which is now listed in Singapore Stock Exchange. So this bond has been a first standalone issuance from a Mongolian bank since a decade-long dry spell. So we issued the bonds at 11% coupon, and after 6 months, we've successfully tapped our bonds at a 350 basis points yield compression at 8.5%. After then, our ESG bonds have been listed in the Luxembourg Stock Exchange, and now we have more than 80 fixed income investors globally. And as a testament of our achievement, IFR Awards Asia has awarded us with the Best Frontier Markets Deal of 2024. So now we have the broadest types of investors, from equity, fixed income, DFIs, impact funds, and international banks. So we have a total of 450 million USD worth of bonds issued internationally, and 11% of our shares in free float. Which is why we have put our best efforts in establishing a profound investor relations function at the bank. The bank has worked with external advisory firm and conducted assessments with investors, conducted internal workshop for the management team to better our stakeholder engagement. And now we are the first bank to conduct quarterly earnings calls and publish our IR calendar on our website. And we publish management discussion and analysis reports, CO letters letter to shareholders, and we organize analyst days as well as private meetings, group meetings, and one-on-one meetings with our investors, consistently send out monthly newsletters, and conduct Q&A through physical and online and one-on-one group meetings. Additionally, while not mandatory, the bank reports its half-year review to increase investor trust. So Golomt Bank is expanding at a very rapid pace. Today, the bank is the largest corporate bank, second largest retail bank, and we have established a very good start to our international and domestic capital market presence. Our total assets amount to 4.2 billion USD, and we have a net interest margin of 5.2% and return on equity at 28% as of 2025 half-year review. And we have reached this level thanks to our years of efforts before the IPO. So before our IPO, we have worked hard on delivering good financial health and promote the highest profitability. So post-IPO and as of today, we have the highest asset quality as well as highest profitability among the Mongolian largest DSIBs. And we are a leading bank with the most balanced and diversified portfolio in SME, retail, mortgage, and corporate segments. It is with thanks to this diversification that we've been able to maintain such good asset quality and profitability. And furthermore, we have the highest growth potential throughout all of these segments. So firstly, I'd like to touch on the retail segment and the expansion. So we have been rapidly growing through the rural area thanks to Mongolia's demand in both traditional and digital banking. Our rural area expansion has doubled thanks to our digital banking base, as well as new openings in physical branches in key developmental areas of throughout the Mongolia's vast steppes. Today, we have 36 rural area branches and 71 branches in Ulaanbaatar city, and we have much further and faster growth potential to bank the total rural area population. So secondly, Mongolia has a very young population with 67% of total population under the age of 40. The country has a good coverage of smartphones and digital usage. And for Golomt Bank, we cover 1.2 million customers, or more than 30% of the Mongolian total population. That largely reflects the population pyramid. So overall, Golomt Bank is considered a lifetime bank. We offer products from newborn babies to elementary school students, through high school students, to university students, and to adulthood, wealth management products, and pension products. And we are also a family bank, offering diverse type of products from mortgage to the most diverse type of products from mortgage and to leasing products and such. And in Mongolia, the birth rate is 2.7 births per woman, which is quite high in comparison to the average 2.1 birth rate throughout the Asian countries. And our bank has the full infrastructure and the know-how to grow our customer base throughout the nation's population. So moving on to our corporate segment, with our 30 years of experience in the corporate banking services, Golomt Bank has managed to become the largest corporate bank in Mongolia with over 27% market share and banking 90 out of 100 top companies in Mongolia. We have a very unique corporate banking etiquette and offer various types of services to our clients. We are well known in the banking industry for having sophisticated non-financial services to our clients, and we are well known for our flagship event, Financial Managers Convention, or the FMC. It's a major annual event that gathers Mongolia's top enterprises to share insights on macroeconomic conditions and financial know-how and strategies. And we have reached one total of 1,000 financial managers throughout the country. So we see broad levels of growth potential in the corporate segment through Mongolia's diverse growth directions and the biggest infrastructure projects as well. So about 97% of active enterprises in Mongolia are SMEs, and among micro businesses, 60% of SMEs are women SMEs. So in this regard, Golomt Bank strategically focuses on building stronger SMEs in synergy with the corporate segments as well. And Golomt Bank is proud to be the first in Mongolia and among the pioneers in Asia to introduce the woman-owned trademark. We actively share our experiences both locally and internationally with countries like Philippines, Indonesia, Bangladesh, and Cambodia. And in collaboration with the leading Mongolian enterprises, we've launched a transformative mentorship and advisory program aimed at elevating emerging businesses. So this initiative connects founders and executives with SME leaders, offering hands-on guidance and strategic insights to our small and medium enterprises. So beyond empowering and funding woman-owned businesses, Golomt Bank itself is a woman-led business, woman-led bank. So 42% of our top executive management is women, and 68% of our middle management is also women. And in this, we proudly say that there is no pay gap between female and male employees. So let's look into how Golomt Bank is leading Mongolia's digital banking revolution. At the heart of our transformation is Social Pay, Mongolia's most widely used digital wallet with over 500,000 downloads on Google Play. It's also first Mongolian wallet to support international payments via UnionPay QR code and accepted over 50 countries. Today, 93% of our total transactions are conducted online. And this is a clear reflection of our commitment to digital-first banking and customer convenience. So we have actively increased our digital banking customer base and has been very successful. Today, our total digital client have reached almost 1 million customers, and we see there is around threefold room to grow in the digital banking industry. So Golomt Bank is very proud to be at the forefront of digital innovation in Mongolia. As part of our strategic transformation, we are now entering the next frontier, AI-powered banking. Virtual banking. Our AI virtual banking project is designed to enhance customer experience, streamline operations, and future-proof our services. So we have started 5 key AI services. And firstly, customer-directed AI services include AI chatbot, AI branch assistant, AI sales engine, and employee-directed AI tools such as virtual employee assistant and internal chatbot. And we've also partnered with Igune AI, Mongolia's leading artificial intelligence company, to co-develop our AI platform. And this collaboration opens doors to broader technology projects and ecosystem integration throughout Mongolia. So we are also working with top national system integrator ICT to ensure seamless deployment across our operations as well. So in the interest of time, I'm going to skip to my last point. So Golomt Bank is expanding through all of Mongolia's economic sectors in all key segments. We have a data-driven credit risk management system that allows us to excel in all focus areas. And to showcase this, here we can see that the bank's pre-IPO targets spanning to 2026 year end, and the bank has already reached our pre-IPO targets in the year end 2024. So the bank has an excellent growth strategy, and we are reaping the returns thanks to our years of banking know-how and infrastructure and resources. So thank you for listening to our pitch.